Hello children, here we have 8th map. In this video, we are going to discuss about soil distribution. So these are the soil that are basically asked in the board examination. That is alluvial soil, laterite soil, black soil and red soil. So the widespread of soil that is found in India is everywhere, but the majority part of where these soils are found has to be leveled and marked on the map. So let's start first the alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is mainly found where the rivers are there, mainly in the northern plains. Here, plenty of rivers are there. Ganga river is there, Yamuna river is there, so many rivers are there. So what happens? This is the area where alluvial soil is found. Okay, the northern parts of India. Let me remind you that from Tropic of Cancer, it is considered north, and from Tropic of Cancer below, it is considered south. So sometimes in the examinations, what happens? The questions may be asked, mark alluvial soil in South India. So this part of the area you need to mark it where alluvial soil is asked, or any of the soil is being asked. Or if it is asked alluvial soil in the north, then we have to mark it above the Tropic of Cancer, this area wherever alluvial soil is found. So first, the northern side of where alluvial soil is found, first the north side of Tropic of Cancer where alluvial soil is found. So as here many rivers are flowing, so this is the area we have learned as the northern plains. So same area alluvial soil is found because the rivers that bring the sediments and they deposit on the plains. So this is the area where northern plain is located. So obviously in this area alluvial soil is found. Okay. Then in southern part of India there are some coastal areas. So all the rivers that originate from the mountains, and obviously they carry sediments, alluvium, silt. So they will be deposited nearby the coastal areas. Is it clear? So whenever you are asked to level alluvial soil in South India, wherever rivers are ending or mouth of the rivers like Godavari river, you can just mark it, this area, Mahanadi river or Krishna river, Kaveri river. These are the areas where in south there is found alluvial soil. So this is alluvial soil, and this is also alluvial soil. One more thing you need to remember that wherever alluvial soil is found, everywhere you don't have to shade in one place so that you can maintain the neat and clean of the map. So suppose this alluvial soil is found here, so this area also is found, but everywhere you should not level it, otherwise the map will look untidy and it will be so congested, right? So it is not necessary that wherever alluvial soil is found, everywhere you have to shade it. So only small area where alluvial soil is found, also here in these rivers are there, Satluj river it is found in this area, Brahmaputra rivers are there. So what happens? Everywhere found, but in one single place where you can mark and level it, that this is the area where alluvial soil is found. Next one is laterite soil. Laterite soil is mainly found above the Tropic of Cancer, that is here we can see river Damodar is there, right? So this is area is found, so you can just mark it, level it. This is the area where I will just make it correct. So this is the area where you can cross it and level and write laterite soil. Okay. About Tropic of Cancer, if it is as north side of India, then you can mark it about Tropic of Cancer here, or you just can cross it and it will be the area where laterite soil is found. Then it is also found in eastern side. Suppose it is asked in direction wise. Sometimes laterite soil will be asked to level eastern side. So eastern side is found below Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra river is here. So what happened? It is found below it. So there you can level, and this is also laterite soil. Okay. And again there is a place. Laterite soils are found in Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. The summit of Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. That means the high area of like more than 1000 meter, these are found. So this area also can be leveled, but once it is asked that laterite soil you have to level it, then any of the place you can mark and level and write the name. Okay, it is not necessary that these are also found in Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. So everywhere you need to mark it and level it. Everywhere laterite soil it will be so untidy. So do not make it any mistake. So here I have level 2. So anyone you can level it, unless it is not given any direction. So eastern side, north side, south side. So keeping that in mind. Okay, then black soil. Black soil is basically found, the two rivers are there here, two rivers. Below these, one round shape you can make it, and you can write this is black soil. Okay, black soil also found in Gujarat here. So this place also can be leveled as black soil. So black soil is mainly found in Deccan area. So it is widespread in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka. This area all are part of black soil, but everywhere you cannot share it. This is the right appropriate place where black soil has to be leveled. Then we have the red soil. Red soil, everywhere in India red soil will be covered. Majority parts of India is red soil. So first, northeast part of India, if it is asked, level red soil in the northeast part of India. So all these areas, the northeastern states, almost all the states having the red soil. From Arunachal Pradesh, all these areas are Meghalaya, these areas are all border areas are red soil, right? Red soil. So when you are asked to mark in the eastern side, you can mark any one places here or this side, you will be asked red soil. So if you are asked in direction wise of eastern side, northeast side, so this the area where you can mark the red soil. The next will be like it is Arunachal Pradesh to Meghalaya. All these are parts of red soil. North between river Sun and river Damodar. So this is the area also where in between where this area where this widespread area is, so all area you cannot mark it as it is congested. This area also is found red soil. So here also you can mark it as red soil. Okay, so this area, all parts of these areas are all red soil, right? So everywhere do not share it because it will look so untidy. So should not level everywhere. Then again, if it is asked south side, if it is asked of the red soil south side, that is below river Tungabhadra and river Kaveri. So this is the area where you can make a triangle shape like this and you can mark it. It goes beyond Kaveri river, but should not go to the limit or should not try to level it as much as it is shown on the map that is in your textbook. How much? The less area that you level will be perfect location that you need to mark it. If you try to level everywhere how much it is extending, it may be wrong sometimes. So what happens? Small area where you can level it in the southern parts of India, and you can write red soil. Alright. So these are the types of soil that is basically asked in the 10th ICSE board examinations. And remember that everywhere different types of soil are found, but you need to level it one place unless and until the question is being asked of directions: north side, south side, northeastern side or west side, right? Unless and until the direction is asked, you can mark it anywhere. So if direction is asked, you have to mark accordingly towards the east side, west side or north side and south side. Alright. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood. Any queries or any doubt is there, please do ask in Campus Care. All the best.